Welcome back. In this video, we will trace a drawing into a logo. This logo is of D alphabet. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn something new from this. So let's start this video. Here we drag the image on the artboard. Then we embed the image on the artboard. And set the size of the image for tracing and align it to the center of the artboard. In the layer panel, we set this layer as a template. By clicking the template option, the opacity of the image is down and the layer is locked, so that it can be traced easily. Here we add a new layer for tracing. I select the pen tool and turn off caps lock. Now I am starting to trace the logo. First, we make a rectangle shape on D straight line. And with the pen tool, I make this outer curve part of D. Same as making the inner curve. Here we decrease the width of the rectangle. Here I can draw a straight line. So after, when I build shapes with the shape builder tool, I can't face any problem. Here the straight path has been created. I set stroke on this path. Now we make the upper part of the logo. Trace this pen shape. Here I go with a straight line, and after that, we make this circular part with an ellipse tool. I reflect this part the same as it is for the opposite side and move it to the other side. Here I make the circle and set it on a curve area. First, we group these two shapes. Then I select all shapes placed vertically and selected the main shape according to which we aligned other shapes. All these are aligned equally. I resize this one. Here I select all shapes and traced parts. Then I select the shape builder tool, choose the yellow color, and turn off the stroke. I make this shape and remove the unusual part by pressing the Alt key on the keyboard. From here, remove the outer unusual parts. filling the green color in these shapes. The logo tracing section has been completed. I delete the drawing image layer by unchecking the template option. I delete the unusual line and anchor at the bottom. The curve part of D looks unequal. So I modify it by the handle and then we fill the gradient in it. I can make the corners of D rounded. Round corners make the logo more unique. I also rounded the corners of these to small rectangles. I move this part down. I select the pen tool again to make some curves in the logo to apply a gradient 3D effect. Now select that part and make separate shapes with the Shape Builder tool. I am filling red color on the outer shapes and green on the inner side. Now our logo is ready for applying gradient. Here we open the gradient panel. I drag the gradient picture and embed it. Then I am selecting the gradient color with the eyedropper tool. Same as I am applying this gradient on all parts. Here I set the gradient with the gradient tool. Finally, you see that our logo has been ready completely. If you enjoy this video, press like button and place a beautiful comment. Share this video with others. And kindly please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon at all so that you get my all video on time.